Now we need to talk about some sensations to keep you safe while you're stretching properly. First of all, you should feel stretch sensations along the belly of the muscle, not directly at the attachment points. So if I'm doing hamstring stretches and all I feel is like the back of my knee is about to snap apart, or I feel like there's just something tearing at the top of the hamstrings, then I probably need to go a little bit less deep and or adjust how I'm doing the stretch. I might need to just take the slack out a little bit by bending my knees just a smidge so that I can feel a little more of a healthy stretch sensation that's more diffuse through the actual muscle bellies. If I'm doing a chest stretch and I feel like something's about to snap or pop here, I'm probably pushing too hard. The sensation we're looking for is a moderate challenge. We don't want to feel overwhelmed like we're going to injure ourselves. So if you're doing a hamstring stretch and you look like this, you are stretching incorrectly.